Are you ready to dive into the world of user experience and user interface designers this 2024? It's a fascinating field where creativity meets technology, and I'm here to guide you through how to become a part of it. First, let's talk about the skills you need. As a UX/UI designer, your main job is to enhance user satisfaction by improving the usability, accessibility, and pleasure provided in the interaction between the user and the product. This means you need a keen eye for design, proficiency in tools like Adobe XD, Sketch, and Figma, and an understanding of user-centered design principles. But it's not just about making things look pretty, like what a web designer does. You need to think critically and solve problems creatively. A background in psychology or communications can be incredibly beneficial because understanding human behavior is at the heart of what we do. Now, what will you actually be doing? You'll be conducting user research, creating wireframes and prototypes, and testing designs to ensure they meet the needs of the user. It's a process of constant learning and adaptation, always testing and tweaking to make products that not only look good but work well. And where can you apply these skills? Virtually every industry needs UX/UI designers. From tech companies and startups to healthcare and finance, the opportunities are vast. Whether it's designing a sleek dashboard for a new app or overhauling the interface of medical software, your skills will be in high demand. Speaking of demand, let's talk salary. As a UX/UI designer, your earning potential is impressive. Starting salaries range from $50,000 to $70,000 a year. But with experience, this can quickly rise to six figures, especially in high-demand areas or with specialist skills. Now let's not forget about the exciting role of AI in UX/UI design. AI tools can automate routine tasks, predict design trends, and even help you understand user behavior through data analysis. For instance, this video was created using AI. The interface used by content creators to input instructions was designed by UX/UI designers. They listen to feedback and anticipate on how best to improve the look, feel, and ease of use of their GUI, spelt GUI, that is, graphic user interface. By leveraging AI, you can focus more on the creative aspects of your job, making your workflow both more efficient and innovative. Becoming a UX/UI designer in 2024 may seem daunting, but with the right skills and tools, it's incredibly rewarding. Start learning, stay curious, and use every tool at your disposal, from traditional design software to cutting-edge AI, and you'll be well on your way to a successful career in this dynamic field. Remember, every pixel you place and every interface you improve could potentially reach millions of users, making their digital interactions smoother and more enjoyable. That's the power you hold. So seize it. Search the internet for courses on UXD and start learning today.